To enable 5G on Samsung Galaxy phones, follow a simple step-by-step process. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app by tapping the gear icon or finding it in the app drawer. Once inside Settings, scroll and tap on Connections. This section controls Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data settings. Next, select Mobile Networks. Here you will find options related to your SIM and network preferences. Tap on Network Mode to view available connection types such as 3G, 4G LTE, and 5G. Choose the option that includes 5G, such as 5G, LTE, or 3G, 2G, Auto Connect. After selecting it, your phone will automatically connect to the fastest available network. If 5G does not appear, make sure your device supports 5G and your SIM card is 5G enabled. You may also need to contact your mobile carrier to activate 5G service. Additionally, check for software updates in Settings, Software Update, because outdated software can hide network options. Restart your phone after changing settings to apply changes properly. When everything is set, you should see the 5G icon in the status bar whenever you are in a coverage area. Keep in mind that 5G availability depends on your location signal strength and carrier support. So even after enabling the setting, coverage may vary in different areas. For best performance, ensure you are using a compatible 5G SIM and updated software version regularly. Check updates too.